Okay, so as mentioned, Jason has assigned me a task and I am currently signed in to the platform on SOLIDWORKS, so I can actually see the notification from here. So if I pop in here, there it is over there. And I can then see the task that was assigned to me. Okay, so just as Jason typed it, all the information is there together with the attachment. So I can have a look at the attachment and see what exactly it is that needs to be done. Okay, so just as Jason drew it, I can see the full image. I can see his little notes that he's attached over there, and my job, as specified in the task, is to do the sheet metal housings for each little motor. So I can pop back to SOLIDWORKS then, and I can begin creating the sheet metal that was tasked to me. So I can begin with a base flange tab. I'm going to do that on the front plane and start with a little rectangle like that. Give it some dimensions. And I would like to set the thickness for this. It is already at 2 millimeters, which is what I would like it to be. And now I can go ahead and add some edge flanges to the base flange. So I go and select the specific edges which I would like those flanges to come off of. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Let's give that a specific height. And I am happy with that. I can click OK. So now my box is about halfway there. I just need to do some cuts on the base flange and on the sides of this box. So I will then unfold, select my fixed face and the bends, and unfold those parts that I need to do some cuts on. I'll create a quick sketch over here. I need a circular cut for the shaft over there. So I will be using some diameter 8 bolts. I'm just going to make this slightly bigger and set that to go all around in 4 directions. Like that. And there I have my sketch. So straight from there I can do my cut extrudes. And I will make sure that it is linked to the thickness of the plate, and I can click OK. So this will be the section that will fit directly onto the motor. On the sides, I would also like to do a sketch for the transmission that will be passed to the sides for the connecting bush cutters. So I decide I would like to do a straight slot over here just to accommodate the shaft that will be passing through, and let's give it a nice size so that it can accommodate any movement of the shaft in a vertical direction. Let's make that slightly larger than the shaft and just place it nicely over there. There we go. Now I would like this exactly on the other side as well, so I will just mirror that over. There we have it. And I can do my extrude cut. Again, same thing, link it to the thickness of the plate. And there I have my cut. Now I would like to fold that back again. And I decide this is going to be cut on the laser cutter. And in order to do that, I need a DXF file. So I will flatten my part like this. And immediately I can export it to DXF. I'll save this as sheet metal housing, center sheet metal housing, because I will have ones on the side as well, and save. Once I click on save, there's some settings that I need to add in there. So when I select sheet metal, it will ask me what entities I would like to export. I only want the geometry that I've created, and now I can click OK. Once I click OK, it will give me a small preview of what the DXF file looks like, and it will only be saved once I click on save. So now my little creation is done, and what I will have done after this is to create identical parts, with the only difference being that it now has a front covering and it has the side open for the little side parts, and add a square plate over there just to fortify the space between the housing and the fasteners. And once my task is done, I can go back and save this to the platform, and I can also let Jason know that I have completed my task. So over here, I can do that and save. And it will show on my side that it is completed, and Jason as well should receive a notification that it has been completed.